Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a pending payment with Zelle. First, log into your bank's mobile app or online banking. You can also use the Zelle app if you prefer. Next, tap the menu icon, usually at the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, select Send Money with Zelle, then go to the Activity tab to see all your transactions. Look under the Payments section for any transaction marked as pending. Select the pending payment, tap the Cancel button at the bottom, and confirm by tapping Yes, Cancel. And that's it. Your pending payment is now canceled. Remember, if the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle, you won't be able to cancel the payment, so always double-check before sending. Thanks for watching. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.